So my role in the team is technical lead, so I've been integrating all of the avionics, airframe structures, aerodynamics and manufacturing throughout the year. Competition has gone really well. We've been competitive in all of our flights and we were the first team to do a fully autonomous flight.
So it's our first time competing in this competition, and in fact we're the first team from Ireland to compete. We had a great time and we've learned so much. We can bring it to next year with us. We had a hiccup and we had a crash, but we've learned so much from it, and next year we'll come back stronger.
Last year we had some technical issues with the electronics and landing gear, and this year we've solved them. This year's been far more successful and we're hoping to get a top 3 finish.
My team and I have just completed our challenge run. So we did a series of challenges including the auto stop, regen, ride comfort and traction challenge. I personally am the auto stop lead of my team. So we just completed our auto stop run and we overshot the mark slightly, but overall we're in second place. So we're quite pleased with that as a team.
Network Rail have put together a team of 15 graduate engineers from across the UK to work on this project. The new turntable has been brilliant. It's allowed us to work much more efficiently and effectively throughout the weekend.
We are certainly planning to come back next year because we had a great time.
This year, we smashed it! Yay!
So hi, today we're in Birmingham and we are filming a STEM Ambassador promo video which looks at why IMechE members should get signed up on the programme, why it matters and how they're contributing to our overall goal to improve the world through engineering. Overall aims are to get more people from diverse backgrounds into engineering and also to ensure that we are meeting the skills needs of industry.
Welcome to the ordinary meeting of the Institution of Mechanical Engineers, which has been held live and virtually today. In accordance with the Royal Charter and bylaws, members of all classes shall be entitled to attend and shall, unless the chair of the meeting shall otherwise determine with respect to any particular meeting, be entitled to introduce visitors at any ordinary meeting. I also declare that pursuant to bylaw 43, this meeting is quorate. The business of the institution's ordinary meeting shall be only for the announcement of candidates who will be considered for the annual elections to the Trustee Board and to Council. The notice convening this meeting was published on the institution's website on the 7th of April 2026. With regard to elections for the Trustee Board, I will now turn to Joe Passingham, Interim CEO, to read the list of professionally active corporate members nominated by the Nominations Committee as candidates for election as General Trustee Under 30 and General Trustee. Over to you please, Joe.
Thank you, Matt. In accordance with bylaw 60.1, the list of candidates nominated by the Nominations Committee are, for General Trustee Under 30, Jacob van Bergen, Anurad Campbell, Joe Roberts Percy. And for General Trustee, we have Kevin Blacktop and Kavita Kumari. We received one valid nomination from corporate members and further candidates for the Trustee Board elections as allowed under bylaw 60.2. For General Trustee, Ashram Ramadan. I'll now hand back to the President.
Thank you very much, Joe. So the list of names you just had read out to you will, subject to eligibility, constitute the list of corporate members nominated as candidates for election to the Trustee Board in June 2026. I'll now go back to Jo for her to read out the candidates nominated by corporate members for election to the Council. Over to you again, please, Jo.
Thank you, Matt. As candidates for election as ordinary members of Council for Fellows, we have Pradeep Kumar Agrawal, John Bruce Buchan, Simon Chandler, Yor Long Chow, Matthew Cook, Luke Folwell, Ravi Shankar Kochak, Abhishek Kumar, Chris Maharaj, Shridev Mukherjee, Solomon Okuchal Ology, Rich Sibic, Ankit Sharma and Grant Spence. And for members, we have Ahmed Aliz, Ahmad Samir Abulrazik, Mohammed Al Amin, Amir El Banawi, Yanaka Ranganath Gamaj, Andrew Livesey, George Curtis, Jeffrey Cato, and Naeem Mohammed Sheikh. I'll now hand back to the President.
Thank you very much, Jo. So the list of names just read out to you will, subject to eligibility, constitute the list of corporate members nominated as candidates for election to the Council in June 2026. Now, voting details for Trustee Board and Council elections will be issued to corporate members and associate members by the 29th of April 2026, so date for your diary there. The results of the elections will be declared at the annual meeting of the institution, which will be held on the 3rd of June 2026, another date for your diary. Thank you very much all for attending. A recording of this ordinary meeting will be published on the IMechE website in due course, and I now declare the meeting closed. Thank you very much.